Hi everybody, I'm Kathleen Byron, and I'm the author of Conversations with Donkey, A Bipolar Journey. What I'd like to talk about is quantum entanglement in the simplest way possible. I want to explain what it is. Explaining it without slipping into a black hole of dense physics jargon is a brilliant challenge. The secret is to bypass the complex math and focus entirely on the behavior, which feels like magic, but is just nature operating on a microscopic scale. Here's a simple analogy. Imagine you have a pair of magical socks. They aren't just any socks, they are a perfectly matched pair, one red and one blue. You place each sock into its own identical sealed box. You mix the boxes up so you have no idea which is which. You keep one box with you in California. You ship the other box to a friend on the exact opposite side of the world. The moment you open your box and see a red sock, you instantly know with 100% certainty that your friend just opened their box and found the blue sock. In our everyday world, the sock in your box was always red, and the one overseas was always blue. We just didn't look yet. But in the quantum world, the universe of ultra-small particles like electrons or photons, the socks don't choose a color until you look at them. Until that box is opened, both socks exist in a blurry state of being both red and blue at the same time. The instant you open your box and the sock chooses to be red, the other sock, thousands of miles away, instantly chooses to be blue. They are perfectly synced, communicating faster than the speed of light. Now that raises a question, doesn't it? We'll go to that another time. Quantum entanglement is a phenomenon where two or more particles become deeply interconnected, so that whatever happens to one instantly dictates what happens to the other, no matter how far apart they are. Einstein famously didn't fully buy into it at first, calling it spooky action at a distance. Yet decades of experiments have proven that this spooky connection is entirely real. 3 points. Distance doesn't matter. The particles could be sitting next to each other on a lab bench or on opposite sides of the universe. The connection is instant. It's not a physical communication. There's no radio signal or beam of light traveling between them. If there were, it would take time to travel. This happens literally at the exact same moment. It's the foundation for the future. This isn't just a party trick for physicists. It is the exact technology driving the creation of unhackable quantum security networks and superpowered quantum computers. Okay, I hope that explained a little better what quantum entanglement is to those of you that didn't know, and don't think for an instant that I know this stuff. I'm just exceedingly interested in it, but I'm not that smart. Thanks for listening. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.